Right, may hapon mga ka-farmers. Shout out pala ako ni Noel Tunga. Mga idol, sunada ka sa akong mga saging dol. Hindi ka sunada ni dol. Yan, puno ko na lang sa kalabasa ni dol. 22 ni kabulig dol.
A few moments later.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72.
At first, masakit. Pakiramdam mo na pag-iiwanan ka na. Pero listen carefully. Growth always reduces noise. And you don't need 10 voices. You just need one clear direction. The smaller your circle becomes, the clearer your focus gets. And that's not loneliness. That's actually alignment. Inside